Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to take a look at what's changed in Notion to Anki version 0.2.51. So go get some coffee or tea or hot water, whatever. I got some delicious instant coffee here. It's probably too hot. So let me add some little bit of cold water to it. I have some notes. One of the things that got resolved is the first one is this detecting closed deletions in context. This was broken, so it should now work. And this was fixed by Mox. Thanks, Mox, for fixing this. We appreciate your contributions. That's nice. And then a new thing, or actually several new things, is if you look here, we have a new template, which is from Abhiyan Bandari. I hope I said your name correctly. So basically, he has this YouTube video on how to make your Anki cards more beautiful. And I like the styling, so I decided to add support for it. I'll add a link to his YouTube video in the description, so you can go check it out. Thanks, Abhi, for making it available. So that's the new template here, Abhiyan Bandari Night Mode. And then another thing we did is expose the template names. This was something I was planning to do for a while. I just hadn't gotten around to doing it. We're going to change this more in the future, but for now I wanted to expose it. So if you do decide to pick, let's say, this new template here or some other template, you can go in and change the name so you can avoid messing up your default node types or try to target another. Yeah, so that's that issue. And the other bug we had is the font size was not working. So Jade reported this, and turns out there was a typo in there, so I fixed that. Thanks for reporting this, Jade. It should be resolved now. Yeah, we had one more bug. I don't have an example, but basically we were treating images as media files, or we were treating images as MP3 files, and that turned out to trigger the MPV player, so you would see like this kind of preview window of the images on top all the time. Very annoying, and that should now be fixed. Yeah, and also I decided to add this this dialogue thing here, and the reason for that is I got some feedback on from some people where it wasn't obvious how to get started for new people. So we are gonna introduce an onboarding stage, but it's too early for that now. I'm hoping when the Notion API comes out, then we need to continue on the redesign effort and rethink, okay, what is proper onboarding, and where do we, because we do want proper onboarding. We don't want you to have to watch a few YouTube videos to figure out how to use Notion to Anki. We want it to be like you discover it and then you start using it from the site. And that's going to take some time to come up with a onboarding process that makes sense, but I think it's too early to do any kind of deep onboarding. So I hope these links here, the HTML link here, how to export as HTML, and this other link here, the playlist, is going to be useful for people. That's what's changed. And also another really cool thing is we finally hit 100 stars on GitHub, so I'm really happy about that. And I think the user who got us over the milestone was Secret Mud. Thanks a lot, Secret Mud, for being number 100. So it's so cool that people all around the world, you can see someone in Beijing gave us a star, somebody in Germany, and so on. So this is cool. I think this is amazing, and I'm happy. It's just a symbolic thing to get so many stars, but it's a number, but it still feels really good. So I know we are providing value to people, because I'm getting emails, DMs from people all around the world, teachers, doctors, dentists, and so on. So I know we are helping people, but it's nice to get some kind of validation in the sense of some actual numbers publicly. Of course, the emails I get in private I can't really share, because people have contacted me in confidence, so I'll have to keep those for myself. If we get more stars, I think DigitalOcean has a few tiers where if you have 500 stars, you can ask for some kind of other support. If you have any feedback on the changes that were made. And if you end up discovering a regression or a bug, please report it to me with an example and we are gonna resolve it. Yeah, so that's what's happened the last week, and I look forward to giving you a new status update on the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.